I slept really badly last night. I didn't have breakfast this morning. I'm not firing on all cylinders. I'm not 100%. I can feel that. If I was wearing wearable devices that actually measured the amount of exercise I took yesterday, my nutrition, my sleep patterns last night, and other parameters that are related to my peak performance, if I was wearing them, they might say, this is a doctor at risk of not actually being able to deliver his job. If I was a surgeon, I really would not want to go into an operating theatre the way I feel at the moment. I know surgeons who go into operating theatres with hangovers. I know surgeons who, are just not necessarily at their very best. They fly in, from abroad, from Europe. They go straight into operating theatres and actually start doing procedures that could be life-threatening. So if we were able to measure these basic parameters, such as sleep, nutrition, exercise, well-being in general, blood pressure, pulse, the things we can already measure, that would actually give us some indication as to whether the patient on the table or the patient in my office is actually getting the best out of the doctor who is actually there to try and help them. So it's not rocket science yet, but it's actually science that we're not using because it's already available and we're just not paying attention to it. I'm really interested in Detalytics. They're in Singapore, I'm in London, they travel, I travel. This is the medicine of the future, being able to measure things. If you can measure things, you can budget for them, whether it's in healthcare, whether it's in the workplace, and I'm interested in being able to measure things in people. I work with people, that's my job. I actually don't know what their blood pressure is doing, what their pulse is doing, how much exercise they're taking, what their nutrition's like. They come to the office or I go to their home and then I leave. I spend a short time with them. If we can track what's going on, that is really exciting. We can track it in real time. I can get information from Detalytics that helps me to do an intervention before things get out of control, before things become dangerous. You can spot risk, you can spot good performance in real time. To me, that's exciting. That's the medicine of the future.